Ferrari. The very name is enough to ignite the imagination of car enthusiasts and dreamers around the world. The name alone conjures images of V12 engines roaring to life, flashes of Rosso Corsa red streaking across racetracks, and a legacy forged in the crucible of motorsport. It's a name that stands for passion, speed, and relentless innovation. For decades, Ferrari has been more than a car manufacturer. It's a symbol of ultimate performance and beauty. Each car is a rolling sculpture, blending cutting-edge technology with Italian artistry and representing the pinnacle of automotive achievement. Every car from Maranello continues Enzo Ferrari's vision, a vision rooted in the pursuit of perfection and the thrill of competition. But sometimes, one model transcends even Ferrari's own legendary standards, becoming a true icon. The LaFerrari Aperta is that car, a hypercar that redefines what's possible, pushing the boundaries of speed, design, and technology to new heights. The original LaFerrari Coupe was a landmark in automotive history, but Ferrari went even further. They took the roof off, creating the Aperta, Italian for open, and in doing so, they invited the sky into the driving experience. This wasn't just a convertible, it was a complete re-engineering of the car's structure, ensuring open-top thrills with no compromise in performance or rigidity. Every detail was reconsidered, every component refined to deliver an uncompromising driving experience. Imagine standing before one, low, aggressive, with lines that seem to move even at rest, and power waiting beneath its carbon fiber skin. It's a machine that looks fast even when it's standing still, daring you to unleash its potential. The Aperta is the culmination of over 70 years of innovation, a direct descendant of Ferrari's racing legends. Its DNA is woven from victories, from the spirit of competition, and from a relentless drive to be the best. To own one is to possess a piece of automotive royalty, crafted with obsessive attention to detail. Every stitch, every curve, every badge is a testament to the passion and skill of the artisans who bring these cars to life. This journey will take you inside Maranello, exploring the passion, precision, and relentless pursuit of perfection that defines Ferrari. We'll uncover the secrets behind the legend and see what it takes to create a masterpiece. Witness how a legend is meticulously crafted, piece by extraordinary piece, and discover why Ferrari remains the ultimate dream for car lovers everywhere. Entering the Ferrari factory in Maranello is like stepping into a modern cathedral of the automobile, where passion and precision are woven into every detail. The anticipation builds as you cross the threshold, knowing you're about to witness the birthplace of legends. Designed by renowned architect Jean Nouvel, the buildings are bathed in natural light, with lush greenery softening the industrial lines. This thoughtful design creates a calm, focused atmosphere that feels more like a sanctuary than a factory, inviting creativity and concentration. The air is remarkably clean, the floors gleam with perfection, and the iconic Ferrari red is everywhere you look, a constant reminder of the brand's heritage and identity. Instead of the expected chaotic noise, there's a quiet intensity. Gentle whirs, soft clicks, and focused conversations fill the air. The environment hums with a sense of purpose, where every sound is part of a larger symphony of creation. Each workstation is immaculately organized, with every tool and component in its precise place. This meticulous order reflects the extraordinary precision and discipline required at every stage of the process. Workers move with purpose and pride, not just assembling cars but bringing a dream to life. Their movements are deliberate, their focus unwavering, as they pour their expertise and passion into every detail. For the LaFerrari Aperta, a special atelier was set aside, a workshop within a workshop, reserved for Ferrari's most exclusive and ambitious projects. Here, innovation and tradition meet in perfect harmony. Within these walls, master technicians, the revered maestri of Maranello, transform each chassis into a rolling masterpiece. Their hands carry decades of experience, and their eyes miss nothing. The factory's philosophy, championed by Enzo Ferrari himself, puts the worker at the very center. Every artisan is empowered to perform their best work, knowing their contribution is vital to the final creation. This unique blend of cutting-edge technology and a human-centric philosophy creates the perfect breeding ground for a car as extraordinary as the LaFerrari Aperta. Here, innovation is balanced by tradition, and every car is a testament to both. Respect for the brand, the product, and the people is palpable on the floor. Every interaction, every gesture, speaks to a deep sense of pride and responsibility. It's this environment, where passion, precision, and respect converge, that makes the creation of legends not just possible, but inevitable. Every LaFerrari Aperta begins as a digital vision in Ferrari's Centro style, where designers and engineers sculpt its form. The challenge: remove the roof without sacrificing strength or aerodynamics. Thousands of hours of simulation and digital wind tunnel testing followed. The chassis is a monocoque of 4 advanced carbon fiber types, hand-laid and cured in an autoclave for ultimate strength and lightness. Reinforcements behind the seats and sills ensure the Aperta is as rigid as the coupe. This carbon tub is the car's foundation, connecting everything from suspension to powertrain. Precision here is absolute. Any flaw could compromise safety and performance. At the heart of the Aperta lies a true hybrid masterpiece, a 6.3-liter V12 engine, the very soul of Ferrari's engineering legacy. This engine is the culmination of decades of innovation, blending raw power with cutting-edge technology to create something truly extraordinary. Paired seamlessly with a high-performance electric motor, the system draws inspiration directly from Ferrari's championship-winning Formula One technology, bringing race-proven advancements to the road. In a dedicated climate-controlled area, master builders meticulously assemble each engine by hand. Every component is carefully balanced and fitted, ensuring that each V12 meets the highest standards of precision and performance. This artisanal approach guarantees that no two engines are exactly alike, each one a unique creation. The V12 alone produces nearly 800 horsepower, spinning effortlessly to a 9,250 RPM redline. This immense power is the result of relentless testing and refinement, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a road car. Parallel teams assemble the Hypercar's hybrid system, an advanced electric motor and battery pack mounted low in the chassis for optimal weight distribution and balance. This system is engineered for both performance and efficiency, a true feat of modern automotive design. The electric motor adds an impressive 161 horsepower, instantly filling in torque gaps and providing a push-to-pass boost for explosive acceleration. It's not just about speed, it's about delivering power exactly when it's needed most. Integrating these complex systems required sophisticated software, developed by Ferrari's top engineers, to ensure seamless power delivery and perfect harmony between the V12 and electric motor. Once complete, the engine, hybrid system and transmission are married to the carbon chassis, a pivotal moment in the build, when the car finally gains its soul and identity as a Ferrari. From this point forward, the Aperta is no longer just a collection of parts, it becomes a living, breathing machine, ready to take on the world's roads. The union of the legendary V12 and advanced electric power defines the Aperta's unique character, setting it apart from anything else on the road. This is where technology and passion meet, resulting in a car that is as much a work of art as it is a feat of engineering. Despite its advanced technology, the Aperta's creation is deeply human. The assembly line is a series of stations where artisans perform specialized tasks with care. After the powertrain is installed, technicians hand-fit wiring, ensuring every connection is flawless. In the upholstery department, skilled hands cut and stitch leather, alcantara and carbon fiber, creating a unique, personalized cockpit for each car. Even the prancing horse badge is applied by hand, with millimeter precision. Body panels painted to perfection are aligned with painstaking accuracy. Shut lines are tight and uniform. This level of craftsmanship can't be replicated by machines, it gives each Aperta its soul. The human touch is what separates a Ferrari from the rest. Every car is a work of art, brought to life by passion and expertise. Turning the LaFerrari into an open-top hypercar was a feat of engineering. Removing the roof meant rethinking aerodynamics. Engineers spent countless hours in the wind tunnel to ensure stability and comfort. Solutions included a new windstop behind the headrests and L-shaped flaps on the windscreen to manage airflow. The active aerodynamic system was recalibrated for the Aperta's unique profile, with flaps and spoilers adjusting for speed and conditions. Every vent and curve serves a purpose, yet the design remains breathtaking. The Aperta offers both a soft top and a removable carbon fiber hardtop, preserving the coupe's iconic silhouette. It's the perfect marriage of form and function. The LaFerrari Aperta was never for sale to just anyone. Only 210 were made, marking Ferrari's 70th anniversary. Ownership was by invitation, reserved for Ferrari's most loyal collectors, true ambassadors of the brand. The selection process was secretive and rigorous. Receiving an invitation was like finding a golden ticket. This exclusivity protects the brand and ensures the cars are cherished, not flipped for profit. As a result, the Aperta became an instant collectible, its value soaring on the secondary market. Today, it's one of the ultimate blue-chip investment cars, prized for its rarity, performance, and beauty. To own one is to join one of the world's most exclusive automotive clubs. The LaFerrari Aperta is more than carbon fiber and hybrid power. It's a rolling testament to Ferrari's spirit. It bridges Ferrari's storied past and innovative future, blending raw V12 power with hybrid efficiency. The soul of the Aperta is found in the dedication of Maranello's artisans and the obsessive attention to detail at every stage. This human element elevates the Aperta from supercar to art. As the era of the V12 hypercar fades, the Aperta stands as a high watermark, a celebration of analog thrills in a digital world. It's a symbol of perfection, the result of uncompromising pursuit of excellence. For the lucky few, it's not just a car, it's a piece of history and a legend. The LaFerrari Aperta, a masterpiece, forever.